dog we house sit for every now and then, and we just can't wait to see him. We haven't seen him for a few years. This is his very little face. When we get there, we'll introduce you to Buddy. Hello, how are you? Do you remember?
Hello.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Do you remember us? We're going to harvest some bananas.
Just up one there.
Just up there. Just up in there. To harvest a banana, you got to chop the whole tree down. Oh, there it gone. Missed it. I wanted to film that.
Oh, sorry.
There it is gone. So today we're taking Buddy out on the stand-up paddleboard, which might be a little bit of a challenge because I don't really know how to ride a stand-up paddleboard. But we'll see how we go, eh, Budster? We'll see how we go. You'll show me how to drive it, eh? Yeah.
No, buddy. No.
Just wait.
So, don't you stand more onto it square?
You can stand like that.
Yeah.
Hop on. Don't tip me off. Wasn't so hard. It's a bit of fun. It's beautiful out here. This is actually super awesome. I'm loving it. I think I'm going to get a paddleboard. Buddy just absolutely loves this. It's so cute. Buddy, come say hello, YouTube. Anyway, it's low tide and we're going to take him for a walk around the rocks. So Buddy disappears around the rocks and then he blends. He does his blending thing. You'll see in a minute. It's really funny. Where is Buddy? There he is. Can you see him? So Buddy's now hiding in the water. I just wonder how long he's going to stand there for. There's a little walk we can do just from our house sit. It's a really nice walk. You can go over to another bay, which we're going over to today. Unfortunately, we can't bring Buddy through here because dogs aren't allowed because of the Kiwi that live here in the bush. So now we're just walking down to the other bay. Mike's going to fly his drone. He doesn't do it very often because we're always in dock camps where they don't let you fly drones. So this way goes up to a pa and a lookout.
So we've just come up to the pa. It's a fortified ditch, which is an indentation which would be easily defendable.
So just coming up to the lookout now. Beautiful view over the Bay of Islands here. So that out there, that's Russell. We learnt about the flag and Waitangi and the treaty.
Again, we turn left and go down the loop track.
That's where we're house sitting, just down through the bushes. Nice little section is just to walk down the road. We've house sit here a few times. Actually, before COVID hit, we were full-time house sitters.